We're here at the Venture into Volunteering Fair along with the Beacon 50 Plus Expo at Springfield Town Center. It's a fair where you can come out and learn about volunteer opportunities. We have about 40 nonprofit and public agencies, so lots of volunteer opportunities that you can learn about.
We are today at Springfield Town Center for the 26th annual Beacon 50 Plus Expo. We've been here at Springfield Town Center for many years. We're especially happy that for the last few years we've been partnering with Fairfax County's Venture and Volunteering Fair. And that is very much a part of our event. There's a whole wing that's devoted to organizations that are looking for volunteers who are older adults, and we encourage people to come and enjoy that and find ways to give back to their community as well.
Everything from organizations that are helping older adults to those that are helping to support children. We have organizations that help individuals who are with disabilities, theaters, all kinds of nonprofit organizations. So it's a great time to come out and see all the variety of things that you can do.
I would say it's mostly people over the age of 50 who are looking for information for their health, for housing, for monetary matters and financial issues, for investments, for stocks, for insurance, all kinds of issues. So anybody who has a need for that will be coming. Plus, as you probably know, we're also having free health screenings and also flu shots, COVID shots, and all kinds of vaccines for people who need those as well.
Volunteering is often something, when you do it, you get so much more than you give. It's a great way to connect with others in the community, engage, learn, and do something good for those who need help in our community. Venture into Volunteering is an annual event, and so we hope to see you out this year, and if you can't make it, come out next year. We would love to get you out volunteering, and I do encourage you, if you're thinking about it, get out there and do it. It'll bring so much back to you, and it means so much to our community.